The very last thing most folks want to do these days is throw money away, but a recent study shows as much as $1 billion in lost or forgotten life insurance benefits is just out there waiting to be paid out to people who may not realize they have it coming. NBC's John Yang has more on why and how you can tell if you're among them.
Andy and Chris Fox got a letter about a year ago that shocked them.
It was 5 years after my father had passed. We had no knowledge of any insurance policies whatsoever.
The letter was from an insurance company. They would learn that Chris's father had 3 separate life insurance policies worth nearly $50,000 and never told his family. To recover their money, the Foxes embarked on what would become a journey. There were weeks of phone calls with insurance companies and state insurance officials.
I worked for Uncle Sam, the United States Navy, as a civilian for 38 years. I know what it is to deal with the bureaucracy.
In the end, they collected $48,000. It took them 8 months.
The Foxers' experience is not unique. According to a recent study, there's a 1 in 600 chance that you're owed money from a life insurance policy and don't even know it. That's better odds than winning $100 on a Powerball ticket.
When a multi-state task force launched an investigation, 6 major life insurance companies agreed to use a Social Security database to track down beneficiaries and have begun paying out hundreds of millions of dollars. Among them, AIG reached an $11 million settlement with multiple states and has paid out more than $100 million to beneficiaries who had not previously filed a claim. Nationwide, which reached a $7.2 million settlement, paid about $144 million to beneficiaries. And MetLife paid $40 million in settlement monies and told NBC News it is on track with remitting policy proceeds to beneficiaries. But critics say the insurance industry should do even more.
If they wanted to fine you to collect a bill, the bill collection industry is very efficient, and they can find people and track you down. So the life insurance industry can do that as well.
In a statement, the American Council of Life Insurers said that life insurance companies are committed to keeping their promises to consumers and are working to ensure all beneficiaries get the benefits they are due. On windfall that they'll be passing on to their own family. John Yang, NBC News, Chicago.